Project code is ITIOT05. Project title is Theft Vehicle Number Plate Tracking using MATLAB and Alert System in IoT. Aim of our project is to implement the theft vehicle identification at toll gate using image processing and IoT, that is Internet of Things. So next is abstract. In abstract, in abstract, the concept in real-time scenario is only in toll gate, only toll collection is done. There is no theft vehicle identification. No theft vehicle identification. So theft vehicle information is done manually to the toll gate. Done manually, that is informing manually to the toll gate. So this leads to late communication and chance of escaping theft vehicle. In existing drawbacks of existing. So identifying theft vehicle at toll gate is not implemented. So drawbacks: no technology to check number plate to identify theft vehicle. Only toll rate collection done at toll gate. In proposing system, that is proposed system, technology to recognize number plate. Less chance of escape of theft vehicle. No late information passed about theft vehicle at toll gate. Manpower required is less. Working model. In toll gate, there will be one controller. So in our project, we are using Arduino controller. Number plate recognition is done using MATLAB. In MATLAB, there will be image processing. So number plate is recognized using image processing, and there will be RFID. RFID is nothing but radio frequency identification. So in real time itself, every vehicle consists RFID tag, that is fast tag. So in FASTag there will be one unique ID number for every vehicle. So if that number plate and RFID number matches, the Arduino controller opens the gate using servo motor. If if there is mismatch in RFID number and number plate using MATLAB, so the Arduino controller will not open the gate. So that information is updated in IoT. So block diagram. Here we using Arduino Mega. For Arduino Mega, input will be MATLAB. In MATLAB, number plate is recognized using image processing, and RFID is to identify the vehicle number. That is, number plate and RFID number should match. If this not match, the output will be servo motor will not open. So it will leads to identification of theft vehicle. If theft vehicle is identified using GPS and GSM, the owner will get location of the theft vehicle identification using messages, and updated in that information is updated in IoT for the monitoring section of toll gate. So components, hardware components used in a project: first Arduino Mega or microcontroller, IC Atmega 2560, operating voltage is 5 volt DC. It consists 54 digital input output pins, 16 input output pins for analog, and it consists 3 UART protocol, that is transmitter and receiver serial communication. In our project, serial communication is RFID, MATLAB, RFID, IoT, GPS, GSM, and MATLAB. So RFID is RX, IoT is transmitter, GPS is receiver, GSM transmitter, and MATLAB is transmitter. So we can use these serial communication devices in Arduino Mega. RFID reader. RFID reader will be placed at toll gate. So RFID tag will be in vehicle. So whenever vehicle reach the toll gate, RFID tag is read using RFID reader, that is sent to controller, and MATLAB recognize number plate, send controller. If both conditions satisfied, opens gate. If not satisfied, doesn't open gate. Its operating voltage is 5 volt DC and its communication is serial communication. Servo motor operation act as gate. LCD displays output. It consists 16 columns and 2 rows. GSM used to send message. We are using 12-volt DC supply. Its communication serial communication. Model is SIM 800L. It is 2G based module. GPS for location. Its operating voltage is 5 volt DC. It is serial communication. It gives latitude and longitude. IoT. IoT is Internet of Things. In IoT web page, we can check the theft vehicle with the location. So it is 5 volt DC serial communication. Output displayed in web page. Force sensor used to measure weight of vehicle. Real time application. Theft vehicle identification. Child safety using GPS and GSM. Conclusion. This proposing method is used to identify theft vehicle at toll gate, and that information is sent to the owner of the vehicle. Sends to owner of the vehicle. Thank you.